Hi, welcome to another in our series of the Cascadia Technical Bites. My name is Pádraig Lally, and I'm going to demonstrate the Cascadia Clip calculator today. So from the home page on our website under products, we just flip down into Cascadia Clip here. You can see the Cascadia Clips on the wall with the vertical furring strip. And as we scroll down through here, you come to this little blue box, which I click on, and that takes us right into the calculator. It's a very sophisticated tool utilizing over 75,000 combinations of wall assemblies to determine thermal and structural capabilities. What's great about this tool is you can literally in a minute or less determine the effective R value of your wall and the allowable wind load. So at an early stage of design, it's very easy to use. All you need to do is just look at these drop-down menus here, fill in the wall construction that you are working with on the project. So the backup wall is the first one. You can choose steel, concrete, CMU, or wood. I'm going to go with 18 gauge steel studs for now. The next choice is whether you put bats in the cavity or not. Many places now don't put bats in the cavity. But some places in the mid and southern US do put like R13 in the cavity. I will choose right now no bats in the cavity. That's the direction the world is going in. Next, it's an insulation choice. The default here is R4.3 representing mineral wool, which is most commonly used because it's non-combustible and flexible, fits around the spacers. You can also choose foam insulation. We recommend spray foam again because it's useful in terms of it forms around the clips. Then you can choose fasteners. Galvanized or stainless are the two options. Stainless is a little more durable but more thermally efficient also. That's often why we choose stainless for thermal efficiency. But I'll stick with galvanized here for the moment. Then you get to choose your spacing. So are the studs at 16-inch on centers? Are they at 24-inch on centers? Or if it's concrete, you can go 24-inch on centers. We even have an option for 32-inch on centers where we go every second stud. If sometimes we're using a horizontal furring strip, we go every second stud. We'll stick with 16 for now. Then you choose your cladding weight. We can go all the way from 1 to 20. We can actually analyze up to 30. For the purposes here, I'm going to choose 5 PSF, which covers like 80% of the claddings, fiber, cement, metal, ACM, etc. Now you have a couple of options. Generally, what I will do is I will click on this. I wish to specify clip size and spacing. If you don't do this, you have a bunch of information down below on thermal performance and structural performance, which will, if you know what your effective R value is, you can look at the chart and determine the wall thickness. But once you use this tool once or twice, you get to see this very quickly. So I specified clip size and vertical spacing. I'm going to target for now R15.6 effective, which is an extremely common requirement, particularly in the US. I'm going to start with a 4-inch clip. You have options here from a 2-inch to an 8-inch clip. So 4-inch clip, 4 inches of insulation. I'm also going to look at my vertical spacings. You have 26, 36, 48. I'm going to choose 48. In our world, less is better. Less means lower cost. Less means higher thermal performance. What you have to meet is thermal performance and structural requirements. So you have to have enough to meet the structural requirements. So a 4-inch clip, 48 inches on center vertically, 16 inches on center horizontally, with all of these other aspects, gives you an R value, effective R value of 17.9 for your wall, an allowable wind load of 68. You may not need 17.9, so you could simply drop the insulation and clip thickness down to 3.5 inches, goes to 16.2. So you can work around with this. The other aspect I wanted to show you here is there are 3 links here, 1 thermal, 2 structural. These link you to stamped engineering letters, which show you the backup information and categories we use to determine the performance, and it shows you specifics, values, structural values, pull-out strength values, U values, etc. It gives you all the backup information. So if you're a building science or structural engineer wants to know the assumptions, we can provide that. So again, this is a fantastic tool for optimization. And then once you decide what you want, you can just simply print it out. You can even attach the letters as part of the submittal package. And there you go. So please contact us if you want more information. Thank you.